Maybe it's time we woke your mother.
Mama, what's going on? Where are we?
Evanston, Wyoming. Thought maybe we could interest you in a little music festival.
It's in honor of one of your old favorites, Graham Riley.
What?
We wanted to surprise you. Did you know more than 20,000 people visit his grave each year?
No, I didn't.
Maybe it wasn't such a good idea coming right through the middle of town.
It looks so crowded.
Oh, I love it. It's so full of life.
Who's dead?
Russ, look out!
Yeah, same to you. Peace, love. Keep on trucking. What else was it you used to say?
We. You said it too.
Yeah, only to impress you.
Maybe we should come back another time.
What?
Happy time, Mom. Check out this lineup. Waylon Jennings, Smashing Pumpkins, Earth, Wind, and Fire.
We thought you'd be thrilled. Who is dead?
A rock and roll star, Nathaniel.
Mama has every single one of those albums.
So we gotta stay, right?
Thursday night, open mic night for amateur singers and songwriters. Josh?
Yeah, I saw that part.
You've been working on a song or two, hadn't you, Josh?
Yeah, I guess, kinda.
Then you're right. We have to stay.
Think we'll ever see our children again?
They're in good hands. They'll just drag your mother from one hot dog stand to another.
This remind you of anything?
I don't know, should it?
Well, I was thinking about this little gathering in upstate New York. 3 endless days, 1969.
I remember a lot of mud.
Oh, you don't remember Jefferson Airplane, Crosby, Stills, and Nash, Graham Riley.
I wish I had known you back then. I wish we had gone to Woodstock together.
Well, who knows? Maybe we ran into each other waiting in line for a restroom or a payphone. Maybe that girl stepped on my head in the middle of the night.
Nope, wasn't me. But I have considered it several times since then. Can't picture you at Woodstock, Russell.
I can't see you there either.
I went because I love the music.
I went because I love Mary Lou Prince.
Spare me the details.
Hey, what are you doing?
Let go of
Put
me.
that down.
I said let go of
Come
me.
on, kid.
I didn't hurt anything.
You better hope you didn't. Hey, Mr. Cutter?
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Cutter, this your banjo?
Yeah, it is.
Think you ought to make sure it's all right.
A loose peg on your B string. I fixed it for you.
Don't let me catch you back here again.
I'm going.
I'll be damned. He did fix it. Hey, kid! Thanks.
Well, there he is. Probably more famous now than he was when he was alive. Well, let's go find the kids. My name is Russell Green. Maybe you passed me and my family out on the highway. Maybe you were driving some fancy sports car or an old beat-up four-door. Or maybe you've had some hard times like us and you're out on the road with your house hitched up behind you and America the Beautiful up ahead. But whoever you are, you be sure to give us a wave next time you drive by, because we're your neighbors and we're all on the road together.
That was totally cool.
As opposed to partially cool.
It was great, honey.
You okay, Claire?
Oh, I'm fine. Just a little tired. I'm gonna sleep outside with Hattie and Dinah.
Counting 20 more acts tomorrow.
After school.
Mom, I gotta work on my song.
Bed.
Dad, I gotta get ready for open mic.
Well, that's fine, but tomorrow's soon enough. That go on now.
Where are my guitar strings? Nathaniel!
I didn't do anything.
I told you not to touch my stuff.
I didn't touch your strings.
Nathaniel.
I used them. I need them for my fishing lures.
What did you do? How am I supposed to play?
Nathaniel, you know better than to take other people's things.
He hardly ever practices.
I'm gonna kill you.
Josh, put a lid on it. First of all, Nathaniel, you're going to apologize to your cousin. And second of all, you're going to pay him back.
I don't have any money.
Chores will do, yours and his, for a month.
What?
You want to go for 2?
Sorry, Josh.
A month.
Don't gloat, Josh.
I'm not. Don't touch my guitar. Yep, 542. This should be it.
Well, that sign can't be right.
Sam Riley's guitar.
Yeah, but that says $120,000. You can buy an Italian sports car for less than that.
I'd buy it. And I'd buy a pick, a strap, and a clamp to go with it.
Yeah, I thought your mother was one crazy about this guy.
See you next week.
Okay, Claudia.
What can I do for you? Don't say guitars.
Well, actually,
I got them stacked up like jets over O'Hare. Seems like everybody's getting their old ones out for the festival.
all I really need is a set of steel string, acoustic.
Strings I got. What gauge?
6, light.
You need it strung here?
Nope.
Okay. That'll be $875.
I can cover you on that.
No, actually, I could help you out with stringing those guitars there.
You could, huh?
I'm fast and I'm good.
I'll tell you what. You string this one and tune it up good, and I'll give you your strings for free. And if I like what I see, I'll give you $10 a piece.
A piece.
I want a good job. Tight wrappings and trim the ends.
I can do that. I can definitely do that.
Might even put a small dent in that Ferrari in the window.
That's 3 articles in Rolling Stone, 2 in the New York Times, and Billboard's commemorative issue. Oh, and I threw in a couple of fan magazines just for fun.
Thanks.
Of course, your best source material is from people who knew him, people that live right here.
Did you know him?
Well, of course. Everybody knew him.
What was he like?
Graham should never have left this town.
Why not?
Well, don't misunderstand me. He was very talented, very attractive. But he had this dark side that swallowed him up when he made it big. Too much fame, too much money, too much everything. I think I've got a complete list of his recordings back here somewhere.
Marijuana? Mom?
What is music? Music is nothing but wild sounds civilized into time and tune. Do you understand what he's trying to say?
My head hurts. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
About ready to go?
Absolutely.
Where's Josh?
Oh, at the music store. He landed himself a part-time job.
Good for him. But I hope it's part-time because he's got full-time studying. Russell, you'll like this one. Music is said to be the speech of angels. In fact, nothing among the utterances of man is thought to be so divine.
There's nothing angelic about Graham Riley.
You're doing a report on Graham Riley?
Sure. He said an American composer.
I was thinking more along the lines of Aaron Copland or Leonard Bernstein.
Why? We're here at this festival for a guy I don't know anything about. Not really.
I don't remember that much about him either, except he died way before he should have.
Well, I have all the articles right here. April 14th, 1991. Graham Riley, celebrated lead singer and guitarist for the rock group Moonshadow, was found dead Tuesday afternoon in a Rome hotel room of an apparent drug overdose. Riley had just completed the first leg of a 2-year world tour. The librarian said he had a real dark side. You know, sex, drugs, rock and roll.
Cool.
No, not cool.
Though it may be several more days before the completion of a formal autopsy, sources close to the superstar say that in recent years, Riley had been experimenting with a wide variety of illegal substances, including the often deadly combination of cocaine and heroin.
Speedballs. Big mistake.
I think you and I are going to have a little chat.
Don't stop.
You play?
Yeah, but not like that.
Tell you what, you take the guitar and I'll play the piano. I get sick of playing alone.
Man, this was his. Graham Riley's guitar.
Yep, just don't drop it. You'll be stringing guitars the rest of your life.
Man, the guy's music was so awesome.
Josh, I'd like you to meet Trevor. Trevor, this is Josh.
How you doing?
Hey, well, what are we waiting for?
I think we should do something for Graham Riley.
Sounds all right to me. You know this next part?
Trevor, you're not supposed to be here. RJ, you know better.
Oh, hell, Pam. So do you.
Who is that?
Pam Riley, Graham's widow. Trevor's his kid. Never had a lesson in his life. Josh will be out in a minute, as soon as he puts the tools away.
Good. The sister's waiting for him at the library. Trevor's quite a talent.
Genius is the word for it. Such a shame. He's a little Mozart, and his mother won't let him play.
Why not?
Trevor grew up listening to his father play that guitar. He remembers the music, but Pam remembers the pain.
Why does she stick around for the festival? I mean, why not take a vacation?
Trevor's got school.
What's she afraid of? His past? The way he died?
No. She's afraid of the way he lived.
Why do we have to have chicken and vegetables? Why can't we have hot dogs and ice cream?
You can eat hot dogs and ice cream, but not at every meal.
I guess it's one of those meals.
Yes, it is.
Nathaniel, I want to ask you a question.
Sure.
How do you know what speedballs are?
From my dad. I know everything. Horse, weed, crack, reds. We were always on the lookout.
You were.
Mm-hmm. When you're in the CIA, you have to know it's against the law.
You mean to tell us that your father...
Got real mad when someone tried to offer him something. He'd say doing drugs was like being dead, only you're still alive. If the others don't get here soon, what are we gonna do with all this food?
Oh, I'm gonna give it all to you. Every last carrot.
Do you think musical talent's in the genes?
I don't know, honey.
Because I would do anything to play like Trevor does.
Anything?
Wouldn't you?
Would you take drugs?
Dinah.
Well, Mozart was a drunk. John Lennon took heroin. And in one of my articles, Graham Riley said he wrote better songs when he was on speed.
Dinah, the reason drugs are dangerous is because they make you think that way. They make you think you're smarter, stronger, in control. But in reality...
Like the world is tilted perfectly so we can capture every last ray of sun.
Yes.
Another Graham Riley quote.
Maybe coming to this festival wasn't such a good idea.
Drugs are everywhere, Mom, not just here.
Did you ever try them?
What?
Drugs.
I never wanted to.
You had to hear this child, Russell.
Pretty good, huh?
Ah, I've never seen anything like it, and with no formal training.
You sound more excited about him than you are the festival.
Is he better than Josh?
Oh, no one was better than Josh.
Josh. Hey. So, RJ told me where to find you. I thought you might want to play some more music.
You went back to the store? I thought your mom just pulled you out of there.
Yeah, well, she does that sometimes.
Everybody, this is Trevor Riley.
Nice to meet you, Trevor.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, Trevor.
Nice to meet you.
I'm working on something of my own. Be cool to play it with you.
Yeah.
If that's okay, Mom.
Go ahead.
Great.
Thought you said his mother didn't want him playing music.
I know what I said, but a few minutes with Josh isn't going to hurt anything.
Okay. A song goes like this.
Okay.
But it's not exactly worked out yet.
All right.
And that's basically where I get lost. Don't really know where to go from there, so...
It's the middle eight.
The what?
The main melody twice, the middle eight, and then back to the main.
I didn't know there was a name for it. Your dad teach you that?
No, I've just sort of always known it. Hey, can you whistle it for me so I can kind of hear how it goes in your head? Here, let me show you.
That's it.
Here, Josh, give it a shot. Let's make it a duet.
Come on, I can't keep up with that.
Sure you can. You were doing fine. Just keep playing.
Trevor? Where have you been?
Mom, this is Mrs. Green.
Nice to meet you.
From the music shop.
Yes.
You went back there, didn't you?
He came to visit my son, Josh.
Go upstairs. Now.
I'll see you later.
Thank you for bringing him home. He knows better.
I realize you don't know me, Mrs. Riley. I'm a teacher. And when I see a special talent, I want to nurture it. Your son has a rare gift.
Is this some kind of thrill for you? What do you want? An autograph? A picture?
Nothing of the sort. This is about your son, not about your husband.
Music killed my husband, Mrs. Green, and I'm not about to let it take my child.
You can't pretend that Trevor's talent does not exist. Your son is a light in this world.
Don't you dare tell me about my son. You're not the one that had to comfort him night after night when he woke up screaming. Trevor is the one who found his father after he overdosed. Or didn't you know that? Now, please, get out of my house.
Come on, hurry up.
Grandma, we're 3 hours early. No one else is here.
I want to get a good seat. So if Joe Walsh smashes his guitar, I want to get a piece of it. You know, I was on the stage once in high school. I sang The Little Drummer Boy at the Christmas pageant.
You sang a solo?
It was an amazing feeling. But the best part was nobody booed, nobody left.
Grandma, can I ask you a question?
I'm not going anywhere.
What would you do if you knew that
I knew what?
somebody close to you,
Uh-huh.
that somebody close to you wasn't telling the truth, and you just knew it, just for instance?
Well, about telling the truth about what?
Something really serious.
Well, how serious? Look, you can't expect your grandma to be wise if you don't give her something to work with.
Let's say drugs, just for instance.
Someone close to you is taking drugs?
Maybe not now, but in the past.
How far in the past?
I don't know. They wouldn't admit it. Would you just think it was none of your business? Would you just forget about it?
You can't seem to. I suggest that the moment you're ready, that's the first possible moment, you tell me, or your father, or your mother who it is.
That wouldn't work.
Why not?
Can you keep a secret?
I can, but in this case, I'm not promising I will. Well, ain't that a pip?
What should I do?
I think you should talk to your mother. And I think you should do it today.
What if I'm not ready for that?
My dear, this is one thing you're never going to be ready for. So just go ahead and talk to her and get it over with. For your own peace of mind. And mine, too.
His mother wouldn't listen to me, Russell.
You really that surprised? Claire, you're a total stranger walking into this woman's house telling her how to raise her own son. Now, we stopped here so you could enjoy this festival. But so far, all you've done is worry about Trevor Riley.
Are you saying I'm wrong, that I shouldn't be doing this?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Honey, try stepping in his mother's shoes for just a minute. Can you imagine being married to somebody like Graham? Well, I mean, he may have been a great musician, but what kind of a man was he? What kind of an example did he set?
He made some bad choices.
He made some fatal choices. Do you think it's an accident that Pam came back here? That she chose to live in a quiet little town where she could feel safe?
That's just it. Trevor is safe. He could play his music.
And what do you think would happen? Word would get out, reporters would start calling the record companies to be lined up begging him to sign on the dotted line. Trevor Riley, son of the rock legend.
Who lives on in his son. Russell, all I know is that this boy is blessed with a talent. In 5 seconds, he figured out a part of Josh's song that Josh has been struggling with for weeks. And the look on his face while he was playing, anyone can have a hobby. This boy has a gift.
Hey, Josh, you been feeding on sour apples? I seen happier expressions on my Aunt Ruth. She's 93, suffering angina.
I'll try to look a little happier.
Maybe this will help. $150.
I still got a few left to fix, though.
So, fix them.
Oh, hey, Josh.
Hey,
Got something for you.
I'm kind of busy right now. Anyway, I thought you weren't supposed to be in here.
Ugh, don't start. It's bad enough hearing it from my mom. Look, it's your song. I fixed it.
You didn't have to do that.
Well, no, see, it was the middle part that was giving you trouble.
Thanks, but I don't need it.
Are you sure? Because I wrote it all out so you could see how it goes, not have to think about it.
If I want to think about it, I will. I mean, it's my song. Just because you're a genius doesn't mean I can't figure it out for myself.
Sure. Sorry to bother you.
There was a time when I didn't wear any makeup at all. Oh, maybe a touch of lip gloss. But those days are long gone.
Maybe that's a good thing.
Maybe. But there's an awful lot I miss about being young.
What do you miss most? Graham Riley? Or smoking dope?
What?
It's you, isn't it? Next to Graham? You're passing around a joint.
Where did you get this?
At the library.
That sure explains a lot, doesn't it? Yeah, that explains everything.
Okay, everybody, got to get a move on if we're going to be front row center at the open mic. What do I walk into?
There isn't gonna be an open mic. Not for me. Maybe you could get Trevor to stand in for me, you know. I'm sure it's him you'd rather hear anyway.
That's not true, Josh.
I don't like the tone you're using with your mother.
Oh, I'm dying to hear your tone when you get a load of that picture she's got there.
All right, that's enough. Now you owe her an apology.
No, sir, I don't. Not this time.
Josh!
Russell, please.
Mama, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I didn't mean it.
Your grandma is at the playground with Nathaniel. Why don't you go see how they're doing?
You want to talk about it?
Here. Dinah found it in the library. It was taken 25 years ago before I met you.
Graham Riley.
You're probably wondering why I never mentioned it.
Well, we have been at the Graham Riley Festival for 3 days now. It's not like you didn't have your chance. Did you love him?
What could I know about love? I wasn't much older than Josh.
All these years and you never said anything. Did you think I wouldn't understand? Did you think I'd be jealous?
It was just so humiliating. I was embarrassed and ashamed. He flirted with me at a concert in Charleston. I took him seriously. I followed him all the way to Atlanta. If you had called me a groupie, I would have been insulted. But the truth is, I made a fool out of myself in the worst possible way. I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell anyone. Oh, God. Russell, when am I going to tell the kids about the drugs?
Trevor? I'm looking for Trevor.
He's not here.
This is your fault. You encouraged him.
Josh, you saw him.
He left that on the bed. He took his backpack. He's gone.
I'm sure he'll show up.
I'm not sure.
Have you talked to the police?
They've been no help. I have a terrible feeling about this. He's been threatening to hitchhike to Canada.
Well, let's hope he hadn't done anything that stupid. I'll have Josh search the bandstand area, and I'll swing through town.
If you see Hattie, have her start looking around the campground.
All right, where are you gonna be?
I'd like to go home with you, if I might. He may stop by, and you shouldn't have to wait alone.
If you want.
Thanks for your trust in me. I'm all alone. You see, I'm feeling low.
He's never done anything like this before. Run away.
We'll find him.
I shouldn't have been so hard on him.
You were trying to protect him. If he had been my son, I might have done the same.
I've been very rude. This festival, then you. I just didn't want to think about Graham.
You must miss him very much.
Of course I miss him. He was smart, funny, talented. I was just out of high school. He was on his way to being a star. I wanted it to work. Things got so crazy. Got out of control so fast.
And you think you could have stopped it?
I watched him take those pills. Ones I couldn't flush down the toilet fast enough. I saw people who called themselves friends feed him poison day and night. You name it, he took it. What do you need, Graham? Got some great stuff, Graham. Yes, I miss him. But I missed him the last 5 years he was alive, too.
Hey, RJ. Excuse me. Trevor's mother's worried about him. She thinks he's run off somewhere. You haven't seen him.
Missing.
Well, she thinks he is.
I haven't seen him all day.
All right. Thanks, anyway.
He told me he was gonna leave if he couldn't have his music. Told me his father would understand. God, I'm so scared.
Pam, I can remember so many times when I was lonely or sad or scared. And your husband's music helped me through it. He could write about anything. He could make you feel what he was feeling, think what he was thinking.
I always thought of Graham as a poet who could sing. I was his biggest fan. Not that that did any good.
It wasn't the music that killed Graham.
I just wish I could have done something that would have made it turn out different.
Like what? Told him to stop playing his music? Given away all his instruments?
That would have been like telling the earth not to rotate around the sun. He would have walked out of my life and never come back. Oh my God.
We'll find him. I promise you.
There's a bunch of people looking for you. Mom's kind of upset.
Come here sometimes when it's quiet. Keep thinking he can hear me. Just give me some answers if you wanted. I'm so mad at him all the time. He took a lot of drugs, you know? He didn't have to do that. Who knows? Maybe he did. Maybe I had to take him to get the music in his head to stop. He was to get it to start. I should have thanked you before. The song. No, you were right. You don't need my help. You've got a family that wants to hear you play. Oh, I'd give anything for that. I'd give anything to play like you. Want to trade places. What are you talking about? You play great. Yeah, right. Look, you play with your heart. Why do you think I want to hang out with you? Do you know how many musicians there are that just do not do that? Really leaving town? I don't know how I can stay. Just wish my mom didn't worry about me so much. Well, you're kind of giving her a good reason, aren't you?
Hello? Hold on. It's for you. It's Josh.
Josh? I'm sorry too, honey. We'll talk about it later. Any sign of Trevor? At the bandstand, right? But, Josh...
What did he say?
We're supposed to go to the bandstand. Trevor will see you there.
Thank you, John. Thank you very much. That's great, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you'll agree with me when I say there is no shortage of amateur talent here at the Graham Riley Music Festival. Next up, for your listening pleasure, on acoustic guitar, hailing all the way from North Carolina, a young man named Josh Green.
Before I get started, I just want to dedicate the song to my mother, who I love with my whole heart. And, you know, it's hard being a kid sometimes, and it's probably hell being a parent, especially my parent. Anyhow, this isn't really a solo. On the piano, we got Trevor Riley. Some of you may have heard of his father, a guy named Graham. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. So many faces out there. Mom, I hope you're out there. Dad, I know you are. Ready?
And 3, 4.
guys. That was so cool. Oh.
Josh! Oh, you are wonderful.
Just
so proud of you.
Hey, that was really cool.
Thank you.
Trevor? It was beautiful.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
Thank you.
Trevor. I'm not gonna argue with you, Pam.
RJ?
I should have done this a long time ago. This guitar spent its last night in my store window. This belongs to you.
Oh, wow. Can I keep it?
You bet.
Thanks, RJ.
Let's go listen to some more music.
Sounded good up there. Like you belonged.
Really?
Yeah. You just remember me when you sign that big record deal,
Oh.
right?
You know, you're going to need a
Hold that.
bodyguard.
Look, I'm really sorry about what happened today. I mean, with the picture and everything.
You don't have anything to be sorry about. I want to sit down with you and Josh, and Nathaniel too, and talk about a very different time in my life where I made a lot of mistakes, where I hope and pray you don't have to repeat them.
Like drugs.
Like letting other people, friends, pressure you into doing things that you know in your heart are wrong. Drugs are on top of the list.
Next up, the Graham Riley Music Festival. We've got a real treat for you. Someone I
It must
know
be
you're
kind of
really
hard when
going
you
to
find out
enjoy.
your parents aren't exactly perfect, isn't it?
I've known that for a long time.
You are on a roll.
That's Grandma.
Must have a code that you can live by.
Mama?
And so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well, their father's hell will slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams. The one they pick is the one you'll know by. Don't you ever ask them why. If they told you, you would cry. So just look at them and sigh.